it's Curtis from Wildcat Bronco. I noticed that my battery on one of my key fobs for the Bronco was about halfway depleted. So I started to wonder, how do I replace the battery in the fob? And so I investigated, and I'll just go ahead and provide a brief demonstration of how you replace the battery. So first, you're going to want to take out the emergency key, and the side that has the Bronco nameplate on there can actually pop off of the fob. And the battery is underneath. It is a CR2450 3-volt battery. There are a couple tabs, a couple tabs that hold the battery into place. If you kind of push those to the side with a toothpick, right, which is what I'm using, and then there's a small gap here next to this tab. If you insert the toothpick down, and it's kind of a thicker battery. If you go pop it right out of there. Okay, and just go ahead and make sure that you put the new one in with the positive side facing up. Those tabs, if you push down, those tabs will go back into place. And just put the fob back together. And you're all done. Again, this was Curtis from Wildcat Bronco. Give us a like if this was helpful, and subscribe for more helpful videos for your 6th generation Bronco.